warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adi. I'm from 5X2. I would like to talk about the Airbus and China collaborate on air traffic management. What is air traffic management or ATM? It is about all systems that assist aircraft such as transit, airspace, land at destination, aerodrome, including air traffic services, airspace management, and air traffic flow and capacity management. The issue about the topic is the China air traffic management cooperate with Airbus because they want to implement the latest air traffic management technologies around the continent of China and modernizing the country's air traffic management system. On 17 September 2013, Airbus and China Air Traffic Management Bureau signed a Memorandum of Understanding known as MOU. The MOU signed by Airbus and the Air Traffic Management Bureau under Civil Aviation Administration of China. The implementation of state-of-the-art air traffic management technologies and solutions will be done by Airbus ProSky, the Airbus Air Traffic Management Company. Airbus ProSky, the air traffic management subsidiary of Airbus, is dedicated to improving the performance of global air traffic management. Comprised of recognized subject matter experts and offering intelligent air traffic management solutions, Airbus ProSky works with stakeholders to maximize efficiency, capacity, and environmental sustainability. Airbus ProSky and its subsidiaries work together to improve the performance and efficiency of the global airspace. Within the MOU framework, there will be 4 future projects. First, air traffic flow management. Second, airport collaborative decision. Third, Chengdu Airport capacity assessment implementation. Fourth, instrument landing system at Beijing Capital Airport performance improvement. There will be several benefits from the collaboration. The implementation of new air traffic management technologies is the key driver for the modernization of the air traffic management system in China. The cooperation will help to draw on the experience of other regions to develop future air traffic management system. The air transportation will become more efficient. It is also to help aviation grow capacity efficiently, and China is set to become the largest domestic civil aviation market in the world. Globally, the modernization of air traffic management system will also generate huge environmental benefits such as savings of some 13 billion liters of fuel per year, a reduction in CO2 emissions of some 29 million tons per year, as well as some 4 million hours of delays. On global basis, it is estimated that 8% of the world's aviation fuel is wasted due to inefficiency in air traffic management. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching.